How to set up the Apple AirPods 2 with a Samsung phone running Android 14. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do with these AirPods is make sure they have some battery life in them and then get them into pairing mode. So to get them in pairing mode, open up the case lid, and at the back of your case here, you'll see this button right there. You're going to hold down that button for at least 5 seconds long until you see that white blinking light. So hold it down now. You'll see this happen. It's going to start blinking like this here, and then you let it go. But keep the case lid open, and now on your Samsung phone here, you're gonna go into the main Bluetooth settings. So go into the main Bluetooth settings, you'll find the Bluetooth, long press it, and I want you to go to details right here so you can get a full view of what's going on here. So now that you turn on your Bluetooth settings here, notice it's still in pairing mode. You'll see AirPods. When you tap on it, you're gonna get the pairing request, and when you select pair, it's gonna connect for you, and you're all set and ready to go. You can tap on the settings icon right here and you can enable it for calls and audio, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, if you want the pop-up animation, stick around because I'll show you that in a moment. So you'll need to get the app known as Andropods. It's a free app from the Play Store. And for the first time when you open it up, it's going to have these options here. You'll go to show overlays, and of course, you'll simply have to give it permission to that. And then going back to it a second time, you'll give it permission to the Bluetooth settings by selecting allow, and then of course giving it permission for notifications. Once you've done that here, you'll be taken to the main home page of the app itself, and you'll want to go to activate service, okay? And because we already paired up our AirPods here, we can now select the model, and whether it's Gen 1 or Gen 2, you can go with this option here. Be sure these three options are turned on, and once you have it all set and ready to go, when you open up your case lid for the AirPods, you should get the pop-up animation. If the battery reading is not accurate itself, just restart your phone and you should get an accurate reading the second time around. Give it a few seconds so that it can register the AirPods. So hold on. So if it takes a while to register it, this is the time where you go ahead and restart your phone. Now that the phone has been restarted, go ahead and try this out one more time and just wait for that pop-up animation here, and you should get that battery reading for the Andropods itself with the pop-up animation, okay? There you go. This is it right here. You'll see that the AirPods case and the percentage of the AirPods, and that's just about accurate as I recently charged these, okay? So if you've been looking for this here just to get that pop-up animation, these are all free features from the app itself, then that's what you can do for this pop-up animation. You can use that app, and I recommend that app. And also check out my video with the other three apps that I've put together to compare them. And that is that, my friends. Like and sub, and of course, thanks for watching.